Okay, we're looking at prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Do you know what prime number is? Just watch a snippet of this video so you can get a clue. Okay, so factors that divide evenly with only one in itself. So if the number was 2, it can be divided by 2 and 1. So 1 and itself. If it's 3, itself and 1. 4, is 4 a prime number? 4 times 1 fits in, yeah, that works, but also 2 times 2. So 4 is known as a composite number. So we're prime and composite numbers. 1 is doesn't even fit into prime or composite. It's just lonely. It's by itself. 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, so let's just watch that back again, and then we'll continue. See what other numbers are up. Only factors are 1 and B. Factors that divide evenly. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So these factors, such as 17, think of 17, and 1, or 1 and 17. They're the only factors. It's a bit like if we were making a factor tree. That's a prime number, so I'd circle it. I can't do anything more. That's the end. 1, I don't even circle because when we do factor trees, we don't even get down to this level. So if it was 10, 10 is not a prime number, because 10 times 1, that's fine, it's a factor. So the factors of 10 would be 1 times 10, but it also has factors of 2 times 5. So if I was making a factor tree, 10, I don't use 1 and 10, I do 2 and 5, because 2 is a prime number, I'd circle it. 5 is a prime number, I'd circle it. If it happened to be 12, let's change this to 12. Okay, I'm going to make this one 12. And I'll start there and get rid of that. So if the number was 12, which is a composite number, and it's a composite number because there's factors more than just 1 and itself. So the factors I'll think of, okay, 1 and 12, absolutely. 2 fits into it evenly. 2 times what? 2 times 6. And I'm putting this in order. 6. Other factors fit into it. Can you think of them? 3. Yeah, 3 fits into it because 3 times 4. So 3 is a factor and 4 is a factor. If I wanted to make a factor tree, I could use, I don't use those ones. Okay, we don't use those. I could use either 2 and 6 or 3 and 4. Let's go with 2 and 6. 2 and 6. And because 2 is a prime number, I circle it. It's the end of it. I can't branch out anymore. 6 is a composite number, so I can continue this. So I know the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. But I don't use 1 and 6, so it'll be 2 and 3. 2 is a prime number, I circle that. 3 is a prime number. 3 times 2 times 2 equals 12. So that's a factor tree. We break it down to the prime numbers. So this is where this all comes into play. Look at that. And we'll continue watching this. I'm proud. Factors that divide evenly. 31, 37, 41, 40. Right, so they are prime numbers under 100. We don't expect you to know them all, but the more you know, the easier to do sort of factor trees. The opposite to prime is composite numbers. Composite. So prime numbers, 1 is by itself. It doesn't fit into prime, it doesn't fit into composite. 2 is the only even prime number, 2 times 1. Then we have 3, 5, 7. 9 is not a prime number because 1 times 9, yeah, but it also has a factor of 3 times 3. So 9 would be a composite number. Alright, so learn that and be good to go for prime and composite numbers and factor trees.